How to download YouTube on a JSW Smart TV. If your JSW Smart TV supports downloading apps, you can install the YouTube app through its App Store or use external methods like casting. Follow these steps. Step 1. Check internet connection. Connect your TV to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings Network Wi-Fi and connect your TV to a stable internet connection. Ensure internet is active. Test the connection by loading a pre-installed app or using the browser on your TV. Step 2. Access the App Store. Press the Home button on your JSW Smart TV remote. Press the Home or Smart Hub button to open the main menu. Navigate to the App Store. Look for the App Store on your TV. It might be named Google Play Store, Smart TV Store, or similar. Step 3. Search for YouTube. Use the search bar. In the App Store, type YouTube using the on-screen keyboard or voice search if supported. Locate the YouTube app. Select YouTube from the search results. Step 4. Download and install YouTube. Install the app. Click the Download or Install button. Wait for installation. Once the installation is complete, YouTube will appear in your app's menu. Step 5. Open and sign in. Launch YouTube. Open the YouTube app from the app's menu. Sign in. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in. Enter your Google account credentials directly on the TV, or visit youtube.com/activate on your phone or computer, enter the code displayed on your TV, and log in. Alternative methods to access YouTube. Option 1. Casting from a smartphone or computer. Ensure both your TV and smartphone computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open YouTube on your smartphone or computer. Tap the cast icon, rectangle with Wi-Fi waves, and select your TV. Option 2. Using a streaming device. Connect a device like Chromecast, Roku, or Fire Stick to your TV. Install the YouTube app on the device. Open and sign into the YouTube app on the external device. By following these steps, you can download and enjoy YouTube on your JSW Smart TV.